Good morning, folks. My name is Rich White with Guarantee RV. Today I'm going to be showing you a little Coachmen. This is Express Blast. It is a 17 BLSE. It's a little toy hauler. Very nice little coach. If you've got a quad and you're headed to the beach and you are towing something that's fairly lightweight, this is going to work out great for you. It's got the electric tongue jack. Pretty basic, but it's very nice for a little toy hauler. You've got plenty of room to put a sport utility vehicle in it. It's got a little front sleeper here. It's finished off real nice. You've got the kitchen with the 2-burner sink, and then it's got a little microwave down here on the bottom. There we go, little microwave. Lots of storage in it. Some shelving over here by the bed, sleeping area. Table that comes out and sets in front of the bench so you've got a place to eat. Nice full bath with a shower. Of course, has a skylight and a vent and a shower. 2-door refrigerator freezer. 6 cubic foot. Of course, it has air conditioning and a furnace, hot water heater. This folds up against the bed so that when you open your door to bring your sport utility in, you've got plenty of room. A nice little flat screen TV and a DVD player. One of the nice things about the construction on this coach is it's built with Asdel instead of Luan. Asdel will not mold, will not get moisture in it, and has a 99% chance that it'll never delaminate. So it's a very nice feature. Of course, your back door opens up here. It's locked, so I'm not going to open it down. You've got docking lights. It's got stabilizers on all 4 corners. Tandem axles, so you get real nice stowability. Electric awning, outdoor speakers. 2 propane tanks. It's got the rock guard across the front. Like I said, you have an electric hitch. Your hot water heater is right here. All your hookups are right here. Folks, this is a great little coach. Perfect for someone who just has one sport utility vehicle. I'm going to look at the dry weight here. This thing only weighs dry 3,640 pounds, so you can tow it with almost anything. Folks, we'd love to have you come in and take a look at this. We've got a lot of selection on toy haulers. My name is Rich White with Guarantee RV. You can reach me at 541-521-8914. Have a great day.